Hey gals and guys, welcome back to the Big Sweep. Today, we're going to tackle an essential topic for maintaining a healthy indoor environment: how to clean a humidifier. Before we dive in, let's talk about why cleaning your humidifier is so important. Over time, these devices can become a breeding ground for bacteria and mold, which can be harmful to your health. Here's a list of what you'll need for the cleaning process: a cleaning toothbrush, mild soap, white vinegar, water, and a soft cloth. Start by unplugging your humidifier from the power source. Next, carefully disassemble the different parts, such as the water tank, filter, and any other removable components. Empty any remaining water from the tank and rinse it thoroughly with warm water and vinegar. Make sure to also rinse the filter if your humidifier has one. Use a soft brush and mild soap to clean the interior and exterior surfaces of the humidifier. Pay extra attention to any areas with visible buildup or residue. For stubborn mineral deposits or mold, mix equal parts water and white vinegar. Use this solution to clean the affected areas, ensuring a thorough and deep clean. After cleaning, use a soft cloth to wipe down all the components. Allow each part to air dry completely before reassembling the humidifier. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips. Clean your humidifier every 1 or 2 weeks. Use distilled water to prevent mineral buildup, and always follow the manufacturer's instructions. This has been a step-by-step guide on how to clean your humidifier. Remember, a clean humidifier not only keeps your air moist, but also ensures a healthier living space for you and your family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Click here for more clever DIY cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.